Hi everyone, my name is Cody, and this is video number 6 in the Builderall Features and Benefits series, of which I'm going to talk about the ability to implement bump sells, upsells, and downsells within your sales funnel using Builderall. So the ability to increase sales within a single additional action on the part of your customer is honestly game-changing for your business. And that's where bump sells, upsells, and downsells come into play. So these type of offers can dramatically increase your sales conversions with little to no extra effort on your part. So let's start with a bump sell. Typically, a bump sell is an offer shown right before your customer purchases a product or service. So the bump sell offer would generally be shown right after your customer enters their personal and credit card information, but right before their card is actually charged. And this can persuade your customer to upgrade their order, usually at the last minute, increasing your sales. So an upsell, on the other hand, is usually presented to the customer after they have purchased the final product. So it should be a complementary or related product for maximum conversions. You don't want a completely unrelated product for you to upsell or bump sell. It has to be related to make sales. So finally, downsell offer is usually a cheaper offering presented when the customer declines to purchase the bump sell or upsell. And this particular offer can convert a non-buyer into a paying customer. And they're all winning sales funnel strategies. And thankfully, you can implement them all using Builderall. So with that said, thanks for watching the video. I want to ask you a couple of questions. Are you interested in using Builderall to build your business? And also, are you struggling to make your first sale or commission online? So if you are, you can go ahead and click the link in my description to get free training by one of my mentors. Now, this is a 5-day free training, and it'll teach you how to choose a product, how to build out a sales funnel, and even use free traffic to promote your offer. And basically, this training is just loaded with value, so I definitely wouldn't pass it up if I were you. With that said, thank you for watching the video. Please take care and have a great day.